Happy birthday, dear Chaplain Corps. Happy birthday to you. All right.
This year marks the 240th anniversary of the establishment of the Chaplain Corps. Camp Zama recently celebrated its birthday and conducted 4 days of training for chaplains and chaplain assistants, known as Religious Support Competencies Certification Program, or RSCCP. At this year's RSCCP, about 30 personnel from Camp Zama and Okinawa gathered to attend various activities in order to develop their religious support capabilities.
This type of exercise provides us with that opportunity where we can all meet one another, know each other, establish these relationships that will lead to a more effective, comprehensive religious support mission carried out should we have an actual response that's required in the future.
On the first day of training, Major General James Pasquarette, Commander, U.S. Army Japan and I Corps Forward, gave remarks and presided over a cake cutting with the youngest chaplain assistants.
You should feel good about what you're doing. You're making more of a difference than you probably appreciate to somebody that you've interfaced with as they're dealing with whatever their trials in life are at the time.
During the training, lectures were given by subject matter experts on chaplains' care and their roles as part of the unit ministry team. Participants were also tested in response to a disaster scenario at the Mission Training Center.
It's a good training for all chaplain assistants and chaplains to learn because every year it's always updating, so we never know what the new AR is going to be or what the new implied tasks that we need to do. I'm actually learning how to do a running estimate and how to conduct myself and my unit to make sure we are providing religious support and making sure that everybody is okay during deployment. So I am gaining a lot from last year and this year.
The 4-day training ended with a tour of Tokyo. There, they visited several sites, including the Imperial Japanese Army headquarters at Camp Ichigaya and General of the Army Douglas MacArthur's headquarters, located in the Daiichi Life Insurance Building. They also heard numerous stories and explanations about military tribunals, along with a history of Japan's transformation from a religious to a secular society.
I think sometimes we get caught up in our very small, limited perspective on our job and what we're doing every day for the United States Army. And I think by doing this field trip, it expands our perspective on the people that have invited us into their country.
Going forward, I would say this field trip has helped me better understand Japanese culture, particularly Shintoism. And I think going forward, I can use that to better educate my unit, my command sergeant major, but just my unit as a whole, so that they can better operate in Japanese culture.
Reporting for U.S. Army Garrison Japan, this is Kevin Kreitzarik.